Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Janitor AI error 429. So if you got this error as you from here or anything like this, I'm going to show you how to fix this step by step. So the first step is sometimes it helps to review your API usage to see if there are any spikes you might not be aware of. If you're making multiple requests, try to spacing them out. That means waiting a bit longer between requests if you keep hitting the error. So if this doesn't help you, then try creating a new API key. This will reset the key based limit. So you need to add this new API key to your Janitor AI API settings and follow the other two steps. So here's what you need to do. You need to turn off the text streaming settings. You can find it on the right side of the Janitor AI. So as see from here, you need to click on here and turn off the text streaming. Also, you need to refresh your chat twice and it mostly works. So if it still doesn't work, then try to create a new account or upgrade to a higher limit paid plan. So that will definitely help fix this issue. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.